Hi friends, welcome to Karma Cafe. A hot tea in the evening with a crispy snack is an awesome combination. So today I'm going to prepare a very simple and tasty snack which goes very well with a hot cup of tea. Let's look at the ingredients required. 1 cup of rice flour, 1 cup of maida, 1 cup of sugar, half cup of Sooji or Rava, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, cooking oil, 1 glass of water, and finally salt to taste. I'm going to roast the rice flour. For that I have kept the vessel on the flame. I've kept it to medium, and once the pan is heated up, I'm going to add the rice flour and saute it till it becomes a light golden color. As you can see, the rice flour is roasted well. I'm going to move it to a plate as it needs to be cooled down before we make the dough. In the very similar way, I have roasted the Sooji or Rava as well, and we will mix all these ingredients together to make the dough. Now I'm going to move the roasted rice flour to a vessel. I have taken maida in a big vessel. Now I am adding the roasted rice flour to the maida. I'm going to add half cup of Sooji, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and salt to taste to the mixture. Along with this, I'm also adding sugar. I'm mixing it well before I'm adding water and mixing the dough. I need to make sure the consistency of this dough should be that of the chapati. Now the dough is ready. I'm keeping it aside for 15 minutes to set. After 15 minutes, we are going to make chapati-like balls. Let me show you how it is done. I'm going to take a small portion of the dough and I'm going to make a normal chapati out of it. It's not required to make it a perfect round because we are going to cut the edges. I'm going to use maida or all-purpose flour here. This is to make sure that the dough does not stick to the board. Once it is ready, I'm going to cut the edges. As you can see, the chapati edges are not very perfect, only because I'm going to cut it into a square. And I'm putting rest of the pieces back to the dough. I'm cutting into as many pieces as I can. I'm going to do the same with all the dough that I have prepared. Once I cut all the pieces, I'm going to start the frying pan and add oil to it. I'm using 100 ml oil here. We will let the oil to heat. Once the oil is heated up, I'm going to add all the pieces that we cut and kept aside. I'm adding one to test the heat now. I'm adding the rest since the heat seems to be good enough. I'm going to fry it till it turns to a golden brown color in a medium flame. As you can see, it is turning to nice golden brown color. Once it turns golden brown completely, I'm going to take it out. Now the crispy, tasty snack is all ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Karma Cafe.